guest, chief guest, principal, chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dearest students. Today is a special occasion where we come together to appreciate the efforts put by our students and teachers. So, today I want to say something about our madrasa. Our madrasa name is Darul Ittihad Mohila Madrasa. It was established in 2019. It is located in Oxygen, Chittagong. Our madrasa has 4-story building. Our madrasa has classes from play to class 9. We have also Hifz department where Quran taught, and from here we get lot of Hafiz and Hafiza. We have 270 class students. Our madrasa has 20 teachers, 3 Hafiza and 2 Hafiz in Hifz department. We have also Honorable Chairman and Principal Hujur. Through them, we get proper Islamic education. Our teachers are also provide us correct knowledge about all subjects. Our teachers are very kind and cooperative. Our madrasa has organized cultural class. In cultural class, we can learn so many things like Quran recitation, ghazal, Arabic and English dialogue, etc. The atmosphere of my madrasa is very peaceful and suitable for studies. We love our madrasa. Thanks to Principal and Chairman Hujur, respected teachers and our guardians for guiding us properly to the Islamic education. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.